Okay, this is a demo video on a functional check for this NewPre310 or 2 RS485 communication functional check for COM1 and COM2. Okay, so if you take a look at my video, okay, this is actually the new print unit that I mentioned. Okay, and where is the location of COM1 is actually over here. Let me open up. Okay, so COM1 and COM2. Okay, actually it comes with COM1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so but first, let's identify what kind of RS485 we is actually built in inside. So to have a better understanding what is the physical configuration, okay, we need to take a look at this numerical number over here. So if you see a 1, that means it's RS232. If you get to C2, that means it's RS485. So for example, if you get to C2211, that means port 1 is assigned as RS485, port 2 also RS485, and port 3 and 4 will be RS232. Okay, so after you identify this based on the nameplate, okay, then you have to go to the BIOS. Okay, go to the BIOS and go to the respective port number and set the correct COM mode over here. Okay, for my case, COM1 and COM2. Okay, this is actually from another nameplate. For this video is just an example, but for my actual case, it's actually 2211. So for port 1, I will already set at RS485, and port 2, I already set at also 485. Okay, in a very rare situation whereby if it do not come with this information, then you need to reach out to the serial communication card, okay, which is inside here. I have another separate video to reach out to that card. So you may view the link below at the description. So for this case, there's this special jumper connection over here. Okay, and the name of that jumper is actually 4448 X underscore 4482. Okay, actually it's 80818283. And the physical location is over here. Okay, and the assignment is over here. Okay, so if I zoom in, okay, if you get to see a short component over here, is actually RS485. And if you see an open connection, you see this is open connection. That means it's been preset at RS232. So my case will be short and short, open and open. Okay, and this is the physical connection of RS485 over here, which is pin 4 is actually plus, and pin 3 is actually data minus. Okay, let me show you this bigger picture over here. Okay, if you get to see this soldered cable, the white cable is actually at the pin 4 location. Okay, and the black is actually at pin 3. Okay, likewise for the other side is actually the same. Okay, I hope I can show you clearly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is basically for my functional check, I just whatever value from COM1 will be write or read to COM2. Yeah, that's all, quite straightforward. Okay, this is the most simplest way of checking. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I open up the software. Okay, I open up the software. This is actually the PC that is inside this new print. Okay, unit. Okay, so I will open up a COM emulator. Okay, and open up COM1. Okay, let me see if I can open up COM1. Okay, choose any baud rate of your choice, but you need to be consistent. If this baud rate is set as 19200, then probably COM2 also need to set as a same configuration. Okay, same configuration. Okay, so how do we do a functional check is let me reach out to COM1 and let's say I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so instead of showing up here, hey, it's actually showing up here. Okay, so let me click here and let me type A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K. You see, the other side will show up. So at this phase of time, yeah, there's no problem. Okay, there's no problem. Okay, let's do a more thorough testing. Okay, by using the Modbus pool and slave software. Let me open up a Modbus pool. Okay, and Modbus slave. Okay, let me see if I can make it. Okay, good. So let me do a connection, quick connection. Okay, COM1, which is the master. Okay, and all these standard parameter setting. Okay, these are the standard parameter setting. Maybe let me disable all this. This is the old parameter setting, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Okay, then press OK. And let's go to the other side. Okay, now it's having error because I haven't configured the slave side. Okay, let me configure the slave side, and the slave side will be the same. Okay, but instead of COM1, COM2. Okay, let me disable this and probably enable this. Okay, and press OK. And you see the error go off. Okay, let me change this to this higher scanning rate, maybe 100 milliseconds. See, there will be a much faster transferring. Okay, let me open up our communication display, and you get to see all this display. Okay, let me do this. Likewise, I'm doing the same. Okay, this is a very strong indication it's working. Okay, let me change the value of the second register, maybe to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's an immediate change of here. Okay, let me run a increment number on the third bit. Okay, yeah, so it's responding. Okay, let me change this value. Can I change this value from here? Yeah, probably I can change 5555. Okay, and enter. Yeah, it's responsive. So with this, actually I can end my presentation. But before I end, let me show you my let me see if yeah. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.